I kept smelling this musty odor throughout the whole house, so I had the ducts cleaned, and then I bought one of those ionic air filters, but neither one of those really worked. In fact, I think it's getting worse.
My wife has a lot of allergies, and my builder recommended an HVAC system that's supposed to clean the air too. It costs a fortune, but I don't know really how much it's helping.
I have young children, so I'm really concerned about things like radon and toxic mold. I don't want my children living and breathing in a sick house, but I really don't know what I can do about it.
When it comes to indoor air quality, there's a lot of information out there that is, at best, confusing. Unfortunately, there's also a lot of information that is misleading and downright dishonest. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the myths and facts about indoor air quality, and you'll learn about some affordable solutions for allergy-proofing homes that are backed by a written guarantee. Pretty unheard of in this industry.
Hello, I'm Barry Westbrook. As a certified industrial hygienist, I'm often asked to diagnose indoor air quality problems with buildings and homes. Frankly, it amazes me that so many so-called solutions are based on marketing ideas rather than scientific fact. If someone is suffering from allergies, no amount of house cleaning, no matter how thorough, will be enough to prevent the symptoms. The reason is that most homes do not have an active ventilation system. Houses act like chimneys. Warm air rises up and leaks out around vents, ducts, windows, and attic space. This is known as the chimney effect, and it creates accidental ventilation. Accidentally ventilated houses also pull contaminants in from the basement, crawl space, wall cavities, and from the outside. In addition, accidentally ventilated homes often have high moisture levels that encourage the growth of mold, dust mites, and bacteria. In fact, the air quality inside most homes today, whether new or old, is far worse than the outside air. UV lights, ionic air filters, duct cleaning, and attic fans don't provide the building pressurization and active ventilation necessary to solve the problem. In fact, in some cases, they may even make the problem worse.
There is a proven solution, however, that is based on fundamental building science. DocAir's proof-positive clean air system allergy-proofs homes by preventing uncontrolled air infiltration and providing ventilation air that is filtered to the highest level of purity. After the proof-positive system is installed, mold spores, dust, and pollen are reduced by 90% or more. An allergy-proof home has 3 critical components: a tight building envelope to control air leakage, slightly positive pressurization, and active ventilation with HEPA-filtered air. Hospitals use HEPA filters to ensure that no contaminants enter the operating room.
We noticed a difference almost immediately. There were no more musty odors, and the bottom line is, you breathe better, and you just feel better.
I can't tell you what a difference the Proof Positive system has made in our home. My whole family feels better, and guess what? I don't even have to dust much anymore. It's great knowing that our kids are growing up in an allergy-proof home.
As a homeowner, you can ensure your home's value by protecting it against mold, moisture, or radon infiltration. With the DocAir proof-positive clean air system, you'll receive a 2-year renewable and transferable written guarantee. It's our promise to you that the indoor air scientists at DocAir stand behind our products and services.
What's more fundamental to good health than clean air, particularly in our homes, where we spend most of our time? Clean air means better health, more productivity, and just a better quality of life. Isn't that what you want for your family?
For more information on allergy-proof homes or any other DocAir services, call DocAir at 1-866-DocAir1 or visit us online at docair.com.
Pure and clean, beyond compare. Breathe the fresh DocAir.